Okay, so today is, I think it's day one of week 2. It's day 1 of week 2. See how much our girls have grown. Hi. Hey, I almost stepped on you. Holy, look at all the water. Look at all this water. It goes all the way over there. There's a lot of water here. When you said we got a lot last night, I didn't think you meant this much.
No, there was a lot of water running right down the edge.
Yeah. Look how big they are.
Seem to be growing every day, don't they?
Yeah.
My goodness, they get bigger every time we come in. Look, they're right out of food. My goodness. 400 more.
Right out. That water is out too. This one's halfway.
Yeah, we got some water over there. I'll pour that water out today. But it looks good.
Yeah, we didn't lose any more.
No, didn't lose any more.
This is how we do it. They open, then you can just put some food in it, right? So that works. And then you shut it. I guess you could leave it open, right,
You could
Daddy?
leave it open, but they'd step in it and they'd get it all messy inside. So
Yeah.
just leave it like that. Take that water out of there. It's pretty much empty.
Yeah. Let's go check for eggs. See if there's any eggs to get from the other girls. See if there's any more eggs. The girls are gonna come out fast. Anyone there? Not sure. Go, go, go! Be free, girls, be free! Jump down, girl. Jump down. Oh, people are flying.
How we doing in here? We got food and water?
Yeah, but I see an egg under this white girl.
Good luck with that. She'll peck you.
I'm not trying to get that egg.
She'll peck you. She's crazy one.
Are you gonna try to get it?
Oh yeah. Bring it.
Okay. I'll stand from a
Peck
distance.
right under there. Maybe I
Yeah.
can distract her with something. Is there an egg under that brown one too? You gonna peck me? I gotta put my sleeve down so you can peck me.
A little baby one pecked me.
There's 2 under here. Oh, whoa, she's freaking out.
She turned.
She's like, oh no, no.
Curious girl.
Okay.
Oh, the brown one's moving too.
She left me some treasure.
The brown one left an egg too.
Oh my.
Holy cow! What is wrong with you?
She needs to lay an egg.
Just give me some peace. Well, I guess we got 2 eggs. There's one under that brown one too.
Yeah, I didn't get that one.
Yeah. So there's. Okay. So now today is what day? What day is today? Day 2, week 2. Yeah. And it's really sunny out. Really sunny out, and it's warm out too. I don't know why I'm wearing a sweater. I don't know why we're wearing sweaters. It's so warm out. And all that water that was here yesterday, it's almost all gone. Look. All that water that was here yesterday, just this. But let's go check on the babies. Brought the egg back to check for eggs this time. They're so quiet.
No sound. Hi, girls.
They almost drank all their water and they have food.
I think they're growing, so it's time for the next size changes in water.
I think so too. Didn't lose any more.
Look how full their feathers are filling it.
Yeah.
And some of them are getting some tail feathers, I see.
Yeah. Good. Good. Should we go check Fred?
Sounds good to me.
Let's go check Fred and see how many eggs we got. Here's the egg basket that we use. It's just a little basket. Okay. Let's see. We got our bikes out yesterday, so we did a little biking. What are you saying, girl? Got some eggs. It's a girl laying, I see. There's none cracked in yesterday. No wonder we always get cracked eggs. There was 3 girls in one box. That was the funniest thing ever. I'm just gonna pass you. Hi. Oh, there's an egg right here. She's like, don't. We're just gonna pass you. Okay. Now at the top. Okay. We got 4. How many did you get? Mine.
I didn't get any. This is
Oh,
our first
there-
time.
There must be some under there. So there's day 2 of week 2. So today's day 3. Day 3 of week 2. Day 3 of week 2. And we're going to check on the little babies. See how they've grown. We're gonna go check for eggs after. But first, we'll see how much they've grown. There's that peeper again. Look, this is how you shut it. It's this little nail. Grab onto it and you shut it. Holy moly, look how big you guys have got. They're out of food again.
Food again? And their water's dry too.
Yeah.
My goodness gracious. Thirsty. Little fellas.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll go get some food.
Do you see that limper that we had yesterday?
Where'd he go? Do you
I
see
don't
him?
know. I don't see him. Yesterday we had one little limper, but I don't think he's here anymore. I think he was just laying down maybe.
Oh, okay, I think he's good. Maybe his leg was asleep.
Maybe.
Never know.
That happens to chickens?
I have no idea.
Huh?
Not sure.
Well, I'm gonna go check for eggs, okay?
You go check for eggs. I'll go give these guys some food.
Okay. Let's go check for eggs. See anything? I don't know. Here they go. Be free, girls. Latch it on to the hook. And then let's go check for eggs. White girl. Two eggs. Pretty good. Most of them are warm. So Daddy said we missed this before, but Daddy said it's really cool when they all go around the water.
Well, I just put the new water in and they all crowded around it. It was pretty cute. I just didn't know if you saw that.
No, we didn't. Hi. Well, there's the end of day 3, week day 3 of week number 2. Okay, so today's week 2, day 4 on going to check the little baby birds. We're gonna go check on them. And it's warmer out than I thought. I don't know what I'm wearing hat. It's warm out. I'm probably gonna take this off. You shouldn't call them babies anymore. Look how big they are. They eat all of their food. You know their food is good. Have that and all that. It's almost like they're too hot. Let's go check friends. Are you back again? Okay, let's go check friends. Let's latch it back up. See? High quality. The girl that was limping last time is in the same spot again. I don't know if it's the same girl though, but there's another one, same spot laying down.
Okay, how are they for food and water?
Empty. One water is empty and one's half, and both their foods are empty. Wow. Well, there's day 4. Okay, so today is week 2, day 5. We're going to check on the little babies, and it is freezing out. It's like, what is it, like minus
Well, it's
10?
freezing for this time of year. It's minus 10. Not freezing for normal, but
Yeah.
don't let the big get
Why not?
not till we get back.
Oh yeah. See if they're okay.
What are we doing in here?
Putting in
Oh, the water.
There's no feeders. But, oh, there's one right there.
There's no water?
I forgot we took those red ones and put in this big one.
Oh, okay. Well, there's some fresh water.
Why'd you put this little tray on this?
So that they were getting all the chips. All these little chips were getting in the water dish. See, look.
Yeah.
So I tried my best to put it up off the floor a little bit so they wouldn't get fill up their water with this stuff.
Yeah.
They still do. They keep it up. It looks like they're cold.
Yeah.
They still got lots of food though, so that's good. Everybody's good. Okay.
Some are growing their tail feathers now.
Yeah, some are getting little tail feathers. Look at that little fella right there.
Yeah, these tail feathers. They almost all have their wing feathers.
Yeah. Another week or two. Another week or so, I guess, and we'll be able to put them out and get them outside.
Yeah.
Eating some fresh grass and bugs and sticks and twigs and stuff.
That's a lot of stuff. Okay, so today is actually week 2, day 7, because we got doing the trampoline yesterday. We got setting up the trampoline yesterday, and we forgot to film them yesterday. So, yeah, and we got a beach ball in there, and it's snowing. We got a beach ball in there. It didn't go out like last time. What? Okay. So now we're going in. Check on the babies.
now because I didn't want to do.
So here's the end of week 2.
Yep, this is the
So
end of
we'll
season.
do a comparison. This is someone at the end of week 2, and this is someone day 1.
So we'll try to show you a side-by-side picture. But this right here is a 2-week-old bird right there. I'm gonna give them some water. Hold that.
Good.
Yeah, let's go let the big birds out.
Okay. So let them out. Hey, this white girl got out.
I don't think she went last night. I think she spent the night in the tree.
Oh, well that's not very good. It's stuck. Go girls, be free. Be free.